moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight. But I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the wedding reception for Jerry and Jackie. My name is MC Johnny. I'm the host for tonight. Thank you so much. Can you give me a round of applause real quick? Give me a quick round of applause. Thank you so much. 歡迎大家嚟到 Jerry 同 Jackie 嘅結婚晚宴，我係你哋嘅主持人 MC Johnny， 大家好，大家好。So the first thing I want to make sure before we introduce the bridal party and our bride and groom is our language preference. I want to make sure, you know, how much English and Cantonese I should speak. So if you prefer for me to speak more English tonight, can you make some noise for me? All right, so like 3 tables over here. Okay, so the main 3 tables over here will speak English for tonight, but then the rest of the time probably need to speak Cantonese. 如果大家想我講多啲廣東話嘅，俾啲掌聲嚟聽下。咁得啦，咁成晚講廣東話得啦，唔需要講英文啦。唉，唔使理嘅嗰2、3台，唉，我哋呢度成30幾40台，咁梗係講多啲廣東話重要啲啦，係咪先？講下笑啫，當然我哋今日係又要講英文又要講廣東話。I just want to make sure everyone is here to have a good time. So I'm going to do a very quick warm up， 大家熱一熱下身先 ，OK？ 等得好耐啦。咁我嘅熱身好簡單嘅啫，我哋就想將大家分為2組。I'm going to break you guys up into 2 groups to do a very quick warm up, OK? I'm going to have all of our gentlemen, you guys are forever love. And all of our ladies, you guys are going to be forever sweet, OK？ 嗱，我哋嘅男士們。我哋係永遠熱愛組，女士們，我哋係永遠甜蜜組嘅。So I want to see which group can actually cheer louder. All right? So we're going to start with the ladies. We're going to start with the ladies. 我哋首先由女士們開始睇下，可以大家叫得幾大聲先 ，OK？ 我都見到你哋㗎 ，OK？ 我哋後面嘅朋友們，你哋都好多女士們喺後面㗎，所以咧我喺度好期待㗎嚇。So on 3, ladies, let's see how loud you can get, okay? On 3, 數3聲，我哋所有女士們睇下你可以歡呼聲幾大聲。3, 2, and 1. Woo! All the ladies in the house, excellent. 嗱，咁男士們 all of our gentlemen, you know, you guys are forever love. 永遠熱愛組，我諗你哋可以大聲啲嘅。Okay? So gentlemen, 男士們數3聲，睇下你可以幾大聲。3, 2, and 1. Woo! Someone will go like, woo, woo, woo. And they're like barking and stuff. Okay, 非常之好。This is the type of energy that we want for tonight, okay? So I'm going to introduce 2 more tools for all of you. 等我再攞多2個工具係非常之重要嘅 ，OK？ 首先，大家可唔可以拎起雙筷子咧？唔該。Can I have all of you raise your chopsticks, please？ 大家可唔可以舉起你嘅筷子？多謝晒，多謝晒 ，Thank you so much。OK， 有冇人可以話俾我知，今晚攞呢對筷子最重要攞嚟做乜？ Oh, you guys are so smart, everybody， 幫我敲敲先，係。Why are we knocking on the glasses？ 點解我哋要敲筷子？有冇人話俾我知點解 ？Why？ Why？ Oh, wait, I heard it from here. 我聽到好似呢度。係啦，等我行過嚟咗先，好似有個靚女頭先講嘅。係，等我interview 佢先，犀利啦。Wait. She was the one who was like yelling it, okay? So now she's shy, but it's okay. We'll interview her. What are we supposed to do? 應該要做咩？我哋敲杯敲碟嘅時候。
To kiss.
To kiss, of course. Right? Yeah. But what type of kiss would you like to see from our newlyweds? 你想佢哋今晚點錫咧
？Extra hard with tongue.
Oh, extra hard with another body organ. Okay, all right. 嗱，想見到我哋一對新人有親密嘅一刻，大家記住，唔好掛住食。今晚要敲杯敲碟嘅 ，OK? If you want to see an intimate moment for tonight, don't just eat, you know, the suckling pig. Use it to knock on the glasses. Okay, our last tool for tonight. 最後一個工具非常之重要。哇，拎起佢先。Can I have all of you raise your table napkin, please？ 大家可唔可以舉起你嘅餐巾？唔該。Everybody， 後面嘅朋友們係，你哋都需要嘅。可唔可以幫手？大家幫我舉起你嘅餐巾，唔該。幫手。係啦，哇，幾靚你睇下，幾靚先得㗎。嗱，犀利啦！嗱，睇下我哋呢個妹妹仔，大家睇下我哋呢個妹妹仔。嗱，係啦，嗱 ，OK。揈一揈先，係啊！大家有冇妹妹仔？就係咁揈。 除咗揈之外咧，仲要有歡呼聲嘅 ，OK？Not just twirling in the air. I also want you guys to cheer. 1, 2, 3, everyone cheer! Woo! Oh my God, you guys are ready to go. All right, DJ, are we ready to go? Awesome. It's time for us to welcome our bridal party. So everybody, let's put your hands together for our bridal party. Melanie, Maggie, Jackie, Jennifer, Joseph, Bobby, Calvin, and Curvin.俾啲掌聲我哋一對新人，我哋一對兄弟姊妹唔該，俾啲掌聲佢哋。Let's give it up for our bridal party. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. 我哋今晚最期待嘅一刻嚟臨啦！大家舉起你嘅餐巾。Can I have all of you raise your table napkin, please? Everybody, everybody, everybody. 大家一齊幫幫手 ！Everybody, everybody. 我哋需要所有人嘅呼喚，所有人嘅支持。係啦，唔該晒你。And ladies and gentlemen, let's bring our loudest cheer to welcome our bride and groom, Jackie and Jerry! Keep up the cheer, ladies and gentlemen. Keep up the cheer. Whoop, whoop. All right, let's give it up for our bridal party. 再一次俾啲掌聲我哋先。Let's take a quick group photo. Let's have all you fan out take a big group photo. 哇，我哋咁多靚仔靚女一齊影翻張大合照先。哇，犀利，非常之型啊！
送呢啲啦嘛，黐線！我拎我張貓紙出嚟先，哇，犀利！首先我哋要介紹嘅係新郎嗰邊嘅屋企人嘅。We will first introduce the groom side of the family. The first person is going to be father of the groom. 今晚嘅新老爺鄭永恒先生，新老爺。啊，有型。Next up, we would like to introduce the mother of the groom. 今晚嘅新奶奶鄭鳳萍女士。哇，好閃啊！你睇。頭先我有個 fans 喺度咁樣轉我見到喺嗰度。OK。Next up, we would like to introduce our grandpa 公公鄭潤生先生，公公你好。係啊，公公啊，戴住好似 SF Giants 仔帽咁樣啊，好似係犀利。Next up, we would like to introduce our grandma 婆婆麥少雲女士，婆婆你好。跟住落嚟我哋介紹嘅就係大哥同大嫂 ，the older brother and her sister-in-law, Johnny and Anita Chen. Wow, you guys are like fan favorite. Everyone's cheering for you guys. Okay, all right. And last but not least, we want to thank all of the relatives, all the uncles and aunties from the groom side for coming. 我哋將要多謝所有新郎今日出席嘅親戚同埋所有 cousin 啊，所有叔叔同埋嬸嬸 ，OK？ 俾啲掌聲我哋嘅親戚朋友，唔該 ，Give it up for all of our relatives， 多謝大家。And that's it for groom side of the family。俾啲掌聲我哋男方嗰邊嘅屋企人先 ，Give it up for the groom side of the family。Now we're going to introduce the bride side of the family。我哋跟住落嚟咧要介紹嘅係新娘嗰邊嘅屋企人。And first, we are going to introduce the father of the bride。今晚嘅新外父張家富先生。哇！兩隻手咁樣同你 揮手啊，幾有領導人物嘅 feel OK。Next up, we would like to introduce the mother of the bride， 今晚嘅新愛母彭俊蓮女士。個笑容100分啊！呢啲係 pageant， 即係去參加選美嗰啲笑容嚟㗎。再一次俾啲掌聲！哇，咁好笑啊！犀利啊！跟住落嚟，我哋要介紹嘅係大哥同大嫂。We would like to introduce the oldest brother and the sister-in-law, David Chang and Natalie Wong。跟住落嚟，我哋介紹嘅係弟弟 the younger brother Raymond。Raymond is so happy. I'm so happy seeing him now. 跟住落嚟，我哋介紹嘅係妹妹 our younger sister Serena。Wait, Serena, where are you at? Where's Serena? Can you stand up? Oh, you can't stand? Another round of applause for Serena for being so energetic. Yes. 跟住落嚟，我哋介紹嘅係舅公張建業先生。雖然佢今日嚟唔到，但係咧，我哋嘅舅婆張林金珠女士代表佢哋兩個出嚟嘅。我哋嘅舅婆喺邊度？啊，你好，你好，你好。跟住落嚟，我哋介紹嘅係叔婆張良婆妹女士。叔婆喺邊度？叔婆。哦，喺呢度，係咪嗰度 ？OK， 好。跟住落嚟，我哋要介紹嘅係另一位叔婆張黃成芬女士。啊，叔婆喺呢度，犀利。Last but not least, of course, we would like to thank all of the uncles and aunties and cousins for attending。我哋非常之多謝新娘所有嘅親戚來臨呢度祝福我哋一對新人嘅。俾啲掌聲我哋所有嘅親戚朋友，唔該。Give it up for all of the relatives. And a big round of applause for Pride's side of the family。俾啲掌聲我哋女方嘅屋企人。You guys have been so amazing. I only have one more question. 想問到你哋一個問題啫。準備好食嘢未啊？可以上菜未啊 ？Are we ready to eat? Oh yeah, me too. Yes, yes, yes. So please give a big round of applause to our wonderful staff at the HL Peninsula as they will be serving you some delicious dinner. 我哋俾啲掌聲，我哋半島豪苑嘅工作人員，佢哋將會咧上菜嘅。Ladies and gentlemen, we have some more exciting segments coming ahead. Please enjoy dinner. 我哋一陣間會有更多精彩嘅環節等住大家。食住先。Once again, my name is MC Johnny. I will see you guys very soon. Thank you. 多謝大家。
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is MC Johnny again. 希望你哋大家咧食得開心。因為我哋而家將會邀請一啲非常之重要嘅人物咧上前嚟去分享我哋一對新人嘅一啲趣事啦、故事，又或者係心得嘅。So without further ado, we are going to introduce our maid of honor, Jennifer, to come on out here to give a speech. Please give her a big round of applause. 哇！我呢度有好多封利是。嗱，我見到有人頭先已經舉手㗎啦。舉咗手嗱，係啦係啦，係嗰位啦，係嗰位靚女啦，佢想攞利是，非常之好，好簡單嘅啫。我哋而家將會玩一個遊戲咧，叫做開口中。嗱，我哋呢度有個 number， 你諗到嗰個 number， 如果係同我呢封利是上面個 number 一樣嘅，咁封利是就係你㗎啦。Ladies and gentlemen, this is Give Money Away Time, my favorite segment for tonight. All you have to do is to guess a number between 1 to 100.If you guess the correct number, the red envelope is yours. It's that easy. Only between 1 to 100. 1至100 OK? 嗰個 number 係1至100嘅。有冇人估？有冇人估？哦，呢邊喎，呢邊頭先好激烈喎。等我問下呢邊先。係啦，係，好，好，俾呢位靚女估。Okay, let you guess. What is it?
I guess 88.
No way. 1 to 88. 1 to 88. Not 88. 1 to 88. 1至88. 有冇人估? Anyone from here? No? No one wants to guess? 1 to... Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. You raise your hand. 1 through 88. Just take it. Take it for the team.
2.
Oh my gosh. 2 to 88。2至88啦，有冇？有冇人估？有冇人估？OK，嚟。
69
69，好意頭喎，69。69 is a good number。2 to 69。2 to 69，2至69，嚟。
18.
18 is a good number, but it's not. 18 to 69. 18 to 18至69。
58.
58 is not right. 58至69。58 to 69. You guys are going to win this right here. 58 to 69. Did you raise your hand? You raise your hand, huh? 58 to, yeah, bro, you're going to win it. 58至69啦，係你㗎啦。
60
60 is not it. Close. 60 to 69. 60至69啦，好簡單。
143823
Wait. 60 to 69. You said 143. 60至69，你講143。Oh no. He was kidding. It's really you. Yeah. Go.
65.
65 close。 65至69喎，65至69喎。我問咗呢個靚女先。65 to 69。 Oh, ask them. Okay. All right. Here we go. 65 to 69。 嚟啦。
67.
67 is right. 67, you know. 67. Okay. 下一個 number 咯。 I have a next number right here. Next number. Okay, I'll let you start. What is it?
64.
60 what?
64.
64. Not quite. 64 to 100. 64 to 100.嚟啦。
What's the numbers through to? What's the numbers like through to?
64 to 100.
100. 99.
99. That's a good one. 64 to 99. 64至99。 64至99有冇？有冇人估？嗱，好簡單，估中就有獎噶啦。其實咩都唔使嘅，求其噏個 number， 64至99嚟。
99
講咗99啦，唔係99，係64至99中間。
78
78好意頭。78至99。78係啦，中咗你啦，咁中咗佢啦，直接好冇？78 to 99， 78。等你講。88肯定。
Yes
88 is correct。又到呢度啦，1至100有冇？1至100。哇，犀利喎！你喺邊度過嚟㗎？好，我俾你估先。
68.
68. Thank you so much for your help. 1 to 68. 嗱，幫咗你㗎啦，幫咗你㗎。1 to 68. Can you come closer? I can't reach.
52.
52. Good number. 1 to 52. 1至52有冇？有冇人估？嚟。
48.
48. 1 to 48. 1 to 48有冇？嚟1 to 48。
28.
38或38好意頭喎。1至38。1至38。小朋友通常估中㗎，小朋友。1至38喎。
25.
你肯定25？
Yes. 25.
Very confident. Not quite. 1至25有冇？1至25係你哋啦，我感覺到係你啦。講啦。
99。
1至25喎，淨係1至25中間啫喎。
哦，18。
18 18, good number. 1 to 18. 1 to 18. 1至18，係你啦，嚟。
16.
16, that's my favorite number, but not it. 1 to 16，有冇？1至19，no 1至16，1至16，有冇人估？我走㗎啦，有冇人估？係，講啦。
32.
1至16喎，係啊，1至16，其中一個 number 1至16。
Oh, 7 then. 7.
7 to 16. 7 to 16. 嚟咯，嚟咯，嚟咯，嚟咯，嚟嚟嚟嚟。
9.
9, just 9?
9.
9 is correct. 恭喜晒。誒，呢度呢度呢度。Okay, what is it?
200.
喂，200 200。哦28 28 1 to 28 1 to 28，有冇估？1至28係你啦。
19.
19 to 28 19 to 28，有冇人估？哎呀，見到19至28係你啦。
3啊，
19至28
3咯，
19至28
19至28啦，咁咪200咯，
28講咗啦，唔係28啦。
唔係咩啊？唔係200啦，18。
18好 number， 18至28啊，到咗我哋主家席啦。18至28啊，等我哋嘅新老爺嚟。18至28究竟係咩
27。
？27 18至28，你估27？我真係唔係做㗎啦，真係27啦 ，OK， 真係27，俾啲掌聲。哇，犀利喎！1至100有冇人估？誒，舉咗手好耐，誒攰啦，舉手舉到耐啊，唔好意思。嚟1至100 1 to 100 any number。
Oh. 99. 99.
99 thank you 1 to 99 1 through 99有冇人估1 through 99
59.
59 1 through 59 1 through 59嚟1 through 59
32.
1 through 32 1 through 32有冇得我翻嚟有冇呢度1 through 39 1 through 39 1至39 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 1至39係
55.
1 to 39 1至39
7.
7 to 39 7 to 39 7 to 39
67.
7 to 39 7至39 7 to 39 67 is like over there
13.
13 final answer 13 to 39 13 to 39 19至39 13 to 39 19至39
20.
20 oh sorry I made a mistake no it's 1 through 19 it's 1 through 19 between 1 to 19
20.
1 to 19一同19中間 1 to 19 in the somewhere in the middle
55.
我流緊汗你知唔知？我唔知點答佢。Okay 1 to 19 15 15 to 19 15 to 19喂，你喺邊度嚟㗎？你點解見唔到你嘅？你嗰邊OK 15 to 19
17. 17. Final answer.
15 to 17 15 to 17 I'm sorry
18.
I say 15 to 17 and you say 18俾啲掌聲佢唔該 俾啲掌聲佢唔該。I said 15 to 17. You said 18. 有冇啊？有冇啊？嗱，有冇？有冇？有冇？有冇？OK。Between 15 to 17. 喂 I never thought this was going to be so difficult. 原來15同17中間係咁難估嘅，係唔緊要。16 is correct. 16. Thank you guys for playing the game. We're going to transition to the next segment very soon. Thank you. Oh, that's it? Just one person? Oh, it's yours. It's just one person. Oh, wait. Oh, man, all these people. 嗱，冇啦嘛？冇啦嘛？仲有冇？ Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? 冇啦嘛？冇啦嘛？我拎走佢㗎啦冇？Oh, there we go. Okay. 好啦，好啦，誒，我頭先見到有多一個人想玩嘅喎，係咪啊 ？There was one more person. Who was it? 哦，粉紅色。Was it 粉紅色？哦，係粉紅色。哦，粉紅色。OK， 咁粉紅色叫咩名啊？ Oh, Fiona, I think you should join. Oh, Fiona, you want to go join? Yeah, go join. You're fine. Yeah, there we go, Fiona. 好啦 everyone, time to stand. 係啦，大家一齊企起身先。Everyone stand. Okay. 嗱，好簡單啫。We are going to play musical chair / scavenger hunt. We're gonna play musical chair / scavenger hunt. Don't worry, we will do a round of musical chair first. OK， 我哋玩呢個爭凳仔先。當我哋嘅 DJ 播 music 嘅時候，你哋就沿住反時針方向咁樣行。OK， When the DJ plays the music, you guys are gonna walk counterclockwise. When the music stops, you take a seat. When the music stops, you take a seat, okay? 我哋試下先 just to practice. Yeah, and why don't can I get you to go between the gentlemen? Yeah, right here. Can I get you to go behind the two gentlemen right there? Yeah, there we go. Okay, we're good. Excuse me, can I get you to go behind the two gentlemen? Yeah, right there. In between. So that it's even. Yeah. Boy, girl. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Practice. This is just for practice. Okay. Oh. 需要壯膽. Okay, 好，嚟 Music. Walk, everyone walk. Walk. 係啦，一路行。係啦。You see how it works? But it's just practice. This is just practice. Oh, okay. All right. This is for real now.嚟真㗎啦 ，OK？ 嚟真㗎啦 ，It's for real. It's for real, sizzle. All right, here we go. Music. This is for real. All right, that was good. Everyone stand up. 大家企一身先，係啦。誒，邊個跌咗電話？好啦，好，非常好。Okay. So, sorry. Now, we're not doing musical chair right now. We are now doing scavenger hunt. This is how it works. Scavenger hunt. 尋寶遊戲嗱，我叫你哋攞一樣嘢。I ask you guys to grab an item from the audience. Okay? When you get it, come back, sit down first. You go to next round. That make sense? 嗱，我未講嘛 I didn't say it yet. Yeah. You go grab an item and you come back and sit down. Now, hold on. They cannot run to you. If you guys run and give it to them, disqualified. You have to run to them. 你哋要去揾 Okay, you guys, you cannot run up. If you run up, disqualified. All right, here we go. 嚟咯 Ready? Wait. This is what I want. I want a tie. 攞條領呔過嚟。A tie. Go grab a tie. 有冇？睇下先。Let me see. All right, good. Nice. Oh, this one's a good brand. This is a good brand. Okay, let me see. 哇，香蕉啊，呢個香蕉掂啊呢個。Well, let me see yours. Oh, that's a Calvin Klein. That's good. Oh, that's a good color. I need that one. Oh, nice. Okay. You guys can return. 我哋還翻俾我哋嘅來賓先，還翻俾來賓先。係啦 ，nice. Sorry, you try. Thank you. All right, here we go. Oh, no. Go back. We're back to musical chairs. Okay? 嗱，又嚟爭凳仔啦。Okay? 又嚟爭凳仔啦。Fiona 要企啊， you have to stand. Yeah, we gotta stand. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Music. Oh, no. There was a chair right there. Oh, almost. All right. Pretty good. 繼續。起身。係啦。Yeah, stand up. Perfect. So now we have 6. Okay, stand up. Okay, 6 chairs. Now, next item. You're going to grab an item again. Don't cheat. Some of you were like throwing a tie to the front. Don't cheat. This is what I want. Listen up. 有冇人就係講中文嘅？聽唔明英文有冇？唔緊要，我唔理佢哋啊，我唔好理佢啊，等我贏得啦，唔好理佢。All right, this is what we're gonna do for this round. If you are wearing leather shoes, I want you to change into heels. If you're wearing heels, change into leather shoes. Come back, go, change. You have to go out. 你要出去 you have to go out and change. Go out and change. 有冇？Wait, I don't think you change. It doesn't count. 有冇？着唔着到？得，掂啦。Okay. Now, just to prove all of you can do this correctly, I just want everyone to stand. Just stand. Okay, and then just walk one round. Just walk one round. 係啦，我哋行。Round of applause. 冇問題。Wait, why did you trip? Okay, all right, good. Return the shoes. 係啦 ，OK。好啦，我哋而家已經進入咗呢一個準決賽啦。We have our 6 finalists fighting for our last 4 chairs. OK， 我哋嘅6個最後嘅參賽者非常之犀利。好，等我哋着一着鞋先。6 finalists left with 4 chairs. Oh, sure. Let's interview. What's your name?
Farm.
Farm? Farm, how confident are you to win the whole thing?
8%.
80%. Okay, what's your name?
Chan.
Chan, how confident are you to win the whole thing?
99%.
Oh, 99%. What is your name?
Grace.
Grace, how confident are you to win the whole thing?
Like a 95%. I'm the youngest out of all of them, though.
Oh, the youngest, but youngest usually wins. You're the only guy left, so what's up?
What's up?
What's your name?
David?
David, how confident are you to beat all these ladies?
0.
Oh, 0. Good answer. And what is your name?
Fiona.
Oh, yeah, that's right, Fiona. Fiona, how confident are you to win this whole thing?
Who's the highest right now? Is it 99? 99.5.
Oh, competition. Okay. And last but not least, what's your name?
My name is Cook, and I'm going to be 99.9. Woo!
Woo! All right, without further ado, DJ, music. Oh my God, no. Our 90% and 99.9% are gone, but that's okay. All right, we have our semi-finalists. Everyone, let's get 我哋起身先。係啦，仲有3張凳，仲有3張凳。哇，掂啦。犀利啊！ All right, here we go. Here's an item I'd like you guys to get. Here's an item, okay? Here's an item. I want... Okay, I just want to make sure. You ready? I want $100 bill. Go. 100蚊。有冇100蚊？去攞。有冇人有100蚊？有冇？有冇？有冇？睇下先，等睇下先，睇下係咪真嘅先。I can't really tell. I need a double check. 我等睇下先。Let me see. 哇，呢張好似 it looks a little suspicious. Yeah, I just need to like check it real quick. Yeah, just don't worry. 誒，哇，你哋咁多個人，等我攞咗先。哇，呢張有啲似，但係好似有，哦，假嘅。Okay, you guys pass. All right. Go ahead. 俾翻人先。你啊 give it back. 3個人2張凳都幾難攞下喎嚇。3 people for 2 chairs. 3 people for 2 chairs. 3 people for 2 chairs. Music.你着呢個高踭鞋可以玩到咁耐，我覺得你已經好犀利㗎啦，真係 wonderful。A round of applause. That was amazing. A round of applause. 真係俾啲掌聲佢。好 ，last round. Let's stand up. Here we go. Last round. Here we go. Last round.喂，人強馬壯人哋 Gracie. Everyone say Gracie. Woo! Where's your peeps?
Right here.
Woo! They're like, oh, I don't know. I'm supporting Gracie too. All right, last round. Okay. 係啊，冇凳啦，係啊， no chair. Last round, listen carefully. This is not about speed. It's about accuracy, okay? Not speed, accuracy. 唔係快， 最緊要準 ，OK？ 唔需要快，最緊要準 ，OK？ 你明㗎啦，快而準呢啲嘢 ，OK？So this is what we want. Today is such a wonderful day, okay? It is September 27th. I want you go get a driver's license that's closest the birthday 927. Go. Closest to 927. 有冇？9月27號，9月27號出世嘅有冇？9月27號 September 27. As close as possible. 9月27有冇？9月27 September 27. September 27. Anybody? 9月27. All right, give you guys 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. All right. Let's see what we have. All right, so here we go. You ready? What's the birthday?
October 10th.
October 10th to Mason. Happy early birthday. Happy early birthday. And Gracie, what's the birthday?
October 1st.
October 1st. Happy early birthday. Woo! Team Gracie. Thank you so much, everybody.
係啦，哇！我哋見到新人着住條裙真係好靚喎，不如我哋講句 wow。On three we're gonna say wow when we look at our evening gown. 1, 2, 3. Wow. All right. So we're going to invite our newlyweds to hold hand in hand with the layer that symbolizes that you guys are going to cut through all the obstacles. 祝福我哋一對新人係佢慢慢。Next cut in the shape of a V. The second cut, we are going to symbolize a life, a marriage of harmony and longevity. 祝福我哋一對新人和諧共處，長長久久。And now the challenge begins. Put the knife down, grab the fork and the cake server together. Let's see if you guys can grab together. Let's see if you guys can grab our slice of cake. 究竟佢哋可唔可以同心合力？咁簡單嘅 They got it out, give it a round of applause. That was easy, nice. 好啦，跟住落嚟咧，我哋就有請新郎哥，你 Jerry can have you hold on to the plate, and you are going to serve. You're going to serve Jackie our first piece of cake. Remember, Jerry, remember, happy wife, happy life, of course. 梗係要我哋嘅丈夫獻上呢個第一啖蛋糕，最甜蜜嘅一個蛋糕。非常之甜蜜啦。So now, Jackie, I'm gonna have you reciprocate the love. Someone told me earlier, bigger the piece, bigger the love. 越大嚿就越多愛啊！唔知邊度講㗎 ？Yeah, the bigger the piece. Oh yeah, that's it right here. That's it, the whole thing, the whole thing. Wow, look at so much love, so much love. 係咪而家應該要佢哋錫一錫咧？ Should they kiss right now? Yeah, they should. They should. 好啦，好啦，好啦。咁我哋而家咧邀請我哋一對新人。It is also called an intertwined toast because it symbolizes their lives are forever intertwined. 我哋祝福我哋一對新人夫妻同心，從此不分嘅。Let's see if they can drink from their own respective champagne glass with the champagne toast. Can they do it? Woo! All
咁耐，梗係要幾支咪一對新人去多謝大家。Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, I'm now going to pass the mic over to our newlyweds as they would like to share a couple words to thank all of you. 俾啲掌聲一對新人，唔該 ，give it up！
Thank you, Johnny.
Hey, I want to say thank you to everyone that's here today. Y'all make my day and Jerry. And I want to say 多謝各位今日參與我哋婚禮。I try my Chinese, that's all I know. So thank you so much.
At this time, our newlyweds would like to invite all of you to grab a drink. We're all going to toast together. 我哋大家一齊拎杯嘢飲。Everyone, can I have you guys grab your drink? Everyone hold up your drink. 大家一齊舉起你嘅酒杯。If I can, all of you raise your glasses at this time. Everybody. 大家一齊舉起你嘅酒杯。Everybody, let's raise your glasses. Everybody, let's raise your glasses. 大家一齊舉起你嘅酒杯。On 3, we're all going to say cheers together. On 3. 我哋數3聲一齊講 cheers 啦。All right? 1, 2, and 3. Cheers! To a happy and a fruitful marriage for Jackie and Jerry. 祝賀我哋嘅新人百年好合，永結同心。俾啲掌聲唔該。後面嘅好啦，我哋嘅美女1號、美女2號、美女3號，係啦，啱啦，企喺度就啱啦，係，仲有冇？我哋仲需要其他美女 ？Any other ladies? We need all the ladies to come on out here. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this is a beautiful lady right here. Yeah, let's. Anyone else? Oh, you want to join too? Yeah, right there. Go join. You want to join? 仲有冇？係啦，啱啦，係你啦。OK， 好。仲有冇？啊，係啦，啱啦，需要，需要你啊，需要係好需要你啊，好需要你。OK， 好啦，嚟啦，好，開始啦。好，掂啦，嚟咯喎 ，You ready? So everyone extend your right hand. Everyone extend your right hand. Okay, wait. Follow me. 好嗱 ，right hand 係啊，身前係啊 ，just right here。咁你就可以摸佢嘅右手 ，OK？And then you tell me if you think it's it, OK? Here we go. First right hand， 行近啲，係摸，係唔係 ？But you have to say it, yes or no? No, why not?
His hand is too big.
Oh, the hand's too big. Okay, next. Is this the one? 係咪？喂，摸咁耐嘅咩？女仔嘅手可以摸咁耐嘅咩？摸3秒嘅咋，係唔係 ？Yes or no? No, why not? Doesn't feel like Jackie. Okay, fine. Next. 呢個係咪呢個？摸下先。點解唔係
？Wrong nails。
好，下一個，呢個。喂，唔好摸個胸，摸手嘅咋。Only the hands。Okay. Oh. Okay, next one。喂，小心啲摸，摸呢個。喂，諗咁耐呢個。Okay， 下個。係呢個咧？呢個係咪？呢個係咪？呢個。如果差唔多嘅話，可以入決賽嘅。You can say maybe. Why not?
No nails.
No nails. Oh, we need someone with nails. How about this one? This one. What? Hi, Mike. Why not?
Move too much.
Oh, moves too much. It's not it. Okay. What about this one?喂，摸晒佢喂，喂摸成10幾秒，嘿，睇你唔係？No, why not? Just no, OK。好，下一個，呢個係咪呢個？喂，摸咗好耐啦，又摸咗好耐啦。嗱，唔清楚可以話 maybe。If you're not sure, you can say maybe. Nah, okay, nah. All right, right here. No, this one. What about this one? 人哋少女嚟㗎，你冇乜傷人哋少女心先得㗎。係人哋咁好俾你揾隻手你摸，係咪呢個？又唔係，哇摸咗好耐咯，都唔係，會唔會唔係又唔係 ？Okay, what about this one? What about this one? There's two. 一隻手㗎咋，一隻手。
Raise your right hand.
Yeah, right hand. Wow, 太多手 Too many hands at the same time. All right.喂，摸咗好耐啦，係咪 ？No. Okay, this one. What about this one? What about this one? You can say maybe. This is a new hand, by the way. Oh, yeah, maybe? Then we switch your hand. Okay, what about this one?
I think. Hold on. Yeah.
No, that's a new one. You think this is it? 係咪？嗱，如果你覺得真係嘅話，你夠唔夠膽蒙住錫佢一啖？夠唔夠膽 ？Will you kiss the person and be blindfolded? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, all right. Well, let's try this. All right, here we go. Give a quick kiss. No. Right here. No. Right here. Not me. Okay, give a quick kiss on the cheek or on the lips. All right, there you go. You pick the person. 非常之犀利啊！咁多個人真係估中咗 ，round of applause for Jerry。我都嚇到流晒汗啦頭先。All right, that was great。快俾啲掌聲我哋新郎哥先啦。All right, we have very quickly gone to our very last segment. Even if you're engaged, if you're in a relationship. All right, anyone else? 好啦，咁嚟啦，嚟料啦。All right, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Well, she got it! Woo! Make sure to come find me in 20 years. 20年後揾翻哥哥 ，OK？ 係啦，而家做咗啲唔緊要，我哋一齊go. Here we go. Ready? All right, we ready. Jerry, 1, 2. All the bachelors, raise your hand. Woo! 1, 2, and 3. 點解你兩個出咗嚟嘅？ 班所有小朋友全部攞晒啲最幸運嘅嘢喎，犀利喎 ！All right, congratulations! Oh, come here, come here. Let me come here. You won. So it's a tradition. Let me help you. It's a tradition. Good luck, Charles. 係，我認咗陣先。